welcome back to Dining Table Recipes. Today we are going to make with you a simple delicious dish. Today's specialty is my husband going to make it with you. We call it Kottu or bread kottu. So let's see how he is going to make it. First, keep a pan on medium heat and put some oil and butter. Add garlic, green chili, curry leaves, onion. Then add carrot and give it a quick mix. Next, bell pepper or capsicum. And mix it nicely. Now you can add salt, chili flakes, pepper and chili powder. These ingredients you can add as per your taste. Next, add tomato and cabbage. In this stage you can add an egg, 1 egg or 2 eggs, and also if you want to add chicken or fish you can add as well. Now mix some tomato sauce. If you have soy sauce, oyster sauce, also you can mix according to your taste. Now the final ingredient is bread. You need to cut bread slices into small pieces like this. Today we are going to make this for 2 persons. So we use 6 slices of bread. Now mix it gently. At last you can add if you have Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese and also spring onion. So this is my husband's bread kottu. It looks like yummy. I'm going to taste it now. I hope you also will make it. So please do comment on my channel about this recipe and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching Dining Table Recipes. See you everyone.